Morning to all. Today we are discussing about Unit 4 DC generator. Introduction. Electrical machine. Mechanical input, generator, electrical output. Electrical input, motor, mechanical output. DC generator. The permanent magnet is the important vital role on DC generator. Definition. Converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Input mechanical energy, generator, output electrical energy. Principle. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Based on the principle of production of dynamically induced EMF law, whenever a conductor cuts magnetic flux, dynamically induced EMF is produced. This EMF causes a current to flow if the conductor circuit is closed. Essential parts: a magnetic field, a conductor or conductors which can so move as to cut the flux. Working. The simple diagram: left side north pole, right side south pole. The magnetic field flux transfer from north pole to south pole in between the singleton conductor. A singleton rectangular copper ABCD rotating about its own axis in a magnetic field provided by either permanent magnet or electromagnet. Two ends of the coil are joined to slip ring AB, which are insulated from each other and from the central shaft. To collecting brushes against the slip rings, their function is to collect the current induced in the coil and to convey it to external load resistance. The rotating coil is called the armature. The sinusoidal waveform, first positive half cycle, second one is a negative half cycle. Working of simple loop generator. Imagine the coil to rotating the clockwise direction. As the coil assumes successive position in the field, the flux linked with the change and EMF induced in it, which is proportional to the rate of change of flux linkages, is equal to N d phi by dt. When the plane of coil is in position 1, then flux linked with the coil is maximum, rate of change of flux linkages is minimum. Hence, there is no induced EMF in the coil. As a contains rotating further, the rate of change of flux and hence the induced EMF in it increases till position 3 is reached there 90 degree. The coil plane is horizontal parallel to the line of flux. The flux linked with the coil, minimum rate of change of flux linkage is maximum. Hence maximum EMF is induced in the coil when this position in the second half revolution. The direction of the current flows DCMLBA, which is just to reverse the of previous direction of flow. The generator working as a Fleming right hand rule. The motion of the conductor, thumb means is a motion of the conductor, forefinger means direction of lines of flux, and central finger is direction of induced EMF. Next, construction details of DC machine. Basic parts: magnetic frame or yoke, pole core and pole shoe, pole coil / field coil, armature core, next armature winding / conductor, commutator, brushes and bearings. Overview of the DC machine. The essential part of the DC machine: first point yoke, second point pole, then third point lugs, brushes, shaft, commutator, field winding, armature, conductor, feet. The front view of the parts of DC machine. Yoke. Purpose. Provides a mechanical support for the poles, act as a protective covering for the whole machine, carries a magnetic flux produced by poles, made of cast iron in small generator, cast steel or rolled steel in a large generator. Next, pole core and pole shoe. Purpose of pole shoe: speared out of the flux in the air gap. They support the field coils, reduce the reluctance of the magnetic path. Two main types of pole construction: pole core, solid core, pole shoe, laminated, made up of cast iron or cast steel. Pole core and pole shoe, laminated, made of annealed steel. Pole coil. The pole coil in the machine. Armature core. Then armature diagram. This is a iron core. This is a coil. This is a ball bearing. The coil insulation and commutator segment, copper segment, coil commutator intersection, insulation between segment, insulation between segment. Purpose. Houses the armature conductors, provides a path of very low reluctance to the flux, cylindrical, drum shaped, built of steel disc, lamination 0.5 mm thick, laminated to reduce the eddy current losses. The next one, air ducts for cooling, key ways to make lamination self-locking in position. The next, armature winding, wound finished armature, then commutator, the next commutator overview, then function of commutator. Collection of current from the armature conductors converts AC in armature conductors into unidirectional current in the external load circuit. Number of segments is equal to number of armature conductors. Segment connected to conductor by copper lug riser. To prevent lug from flying out, segment have V grooves. So in this diagram represented for the commutator winding, then mica means separate the coil, then copper conductor, then copper segment, then mica insulation between segments. The next, different types of commutator segments. Next, brushes. And then function of brush. Collect the current from the commutator made of carbon or graphite. Rectangular shape, brushes housed on brush holders mounted on spindle. Brushes are made to be wear on commutator by a spring. Convey current from the brush to holder. The next overview of the diagram, rotor, spring, brush holder, brush graphite. The next, then top of the angle in the brush holders, brush holder, brush, commutator segment and capacitor 2. Then ball bearing overview diagram. With a small machine, roller bearing are used on both sides. With a larger machine, roller bearing for driving side, ball bearing for non-driving end. Thank you.